Solicit their advice. If there are friends or family members in your midst who have insight into the matter, ask for their observations. You may need to do some analytical research in order to get the data you need. This could include reading books, taking classes or seminars, or gathering information from the internet. What do you think that means?
Maybe. A bit of research.
In the near future?
What about mine in the near future?
What you are asking about will occur very soon, so you won't have to wait much longer. Stay optimistic and continue upon your current path. Be open to receiving. What would you like to tell me, my guides and angels and my Sirius team? What do you want to tell me right now? Wait.
So much to say I really want to see you and catch up with you and let you know, but great news. Our baby is very well. We did the ultrasound. She's perfect size. And guess what? She was already practicing breathing. They actually caught it on the ultrasound. They could see her lungs moving and her mouth moving, practicing. And they said that's a really good sign, because when babies have the energy and they're calm, that's when they're practicing breathing. So she said she's happy and calm in there. She's not fazed by you. And I thought, wow, what a little warrior. You are the most gorgeous angel. You gotta stay cozy. I'm jealous of their jacket.
Yeah, me too.
It's so good.
Oh, the eyes.
Wow. I tell you what, I should have brought a jacket, shouldn't
No,
I?
you look cold.
I am cold. Oh my god.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Week 36.
Big mama? Week 36?
I don't know. Maybe 35.
You don't know what week it is.
37.
Look at
36.
that big belly.
It's big though.
Yeah,
It's getting
beautiful.
bigger. It's
It's
beautiful.
big and beautiful. Do you want a lychee?
Sometimes I think, oh, I want to spread my seed.
Oh gosh, that's the fertile lands.
I love you. I love you. Daddy. Daddy. I said, you just get over the fancy life. You know, you get over it. You know, at the end of the day, you just want a home cooked meal and a good woolly blanket.
Yeah, we sure do.
It's don't get me wrong. I want the fancy life, but I just
You like
don't.
the fancy
I'm a
life.
bit overeating out every
You want to
single
eat
day and
it?
night.
You want to have a sleep?
I want to be able to. Yeah, I don't even know. I'm over food. I'm actually over food.
Well, we got to finish our kitchen.
Yeah. I was just thinking of Rose as I was weeing, and I got some messages, but it was in my jacket. I just looked at them and it was Rose.
That's what we call psychosis, guys.
Look how psychic. Oh, what you gonna do when you come for you? Oh,
No, you can't mess around like that.
oh yeah, that's my
You
move.
had 3 and 3.
That's my move.
George, you had 3 and 3. Yeah?
Well, I have to make a move.
4 and 2, is that what you're doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, no, that's what you
Well,
did.
I can.
That was right, you can do that.
Okay, well,
4 and 2. 3 and 3, 4 and 2, yeah?
no, I don't know if I want to do
Oh,
that.
man, you did that. You did that. So, we're out and about today with my lovely wife. We've sat at the cafe. She's gone to the Luda Wee for the 100th time today, but here we are at the park. It's beautiful. And oh, here's my wife. Here she comes, the beautiful, lovely Georgia with the full belly. Hello, gorgeous wife. Where have you been all my life? Uh-oh, here we go. Sane. Oh, gosh, yeah. Yeah. No, there is.
Is it?
There isn't. But what if there was?
I thought there was a wee stain.
Huh? Isn't it lovely
There's
here?
always leaks.
You're a leaky girl?
Yeah, it's so lovely here.
It's
Can I
beautiful.
film you?
Uh-huh.
Wow. Well, this is actually a magical day.
Hi,
Who are you?
I'm Sim. And I'm in
Father
the park.
of a child.
Father of blue.
Yeah.
Blue ants.
Blue
So good we had to put a T-E on the end. Are we doing 1 or 2 T's?
Don't know. Figure it out. What do you want to say to your daughter quickly?
My girl. Focus up! Fucking love you, man.
How do I stop it?
Big girl.
How do I stop
You're the number 1. Peace, love, and prosperity, little girl. He was lovely, wasn't
The baby really wants to eat now. She's like,
he? Can you show us it?
Michael was saying it's so crazy when you see like a foot come out and everything. But we haven't really seen that.
We don't see it that much.
No. She's a little jellyfish.
That's mummy's reality.
Stressed. I need my eggs. Where is it? It's taking its sweet time.
Hungry girl.
Hungry girl.
Alrighty. Sunday 31st of August 2025, reporting at about 10 a.m.
Oh, it's Dan's birthday, right? Oh no, it's
yesterday.
not. Yesterday.
Georgia is experiencing some cramps.
Oh.
Alright, right on cue. She's an actor, so
No,
she's getting paid for this
I'm
role.
having one right now.
I'm not sure. If she needs my support, she can ask.
Yeah.
Wait, you need support?